Okay, so we're gonna coming back on Cornell Notes on the back page, and we're gonna find the relationship between two inscribed angle and its intercepted arc. So it's one of the theorems, and we're gonna using these examples. The word says if two inscribed angles, I'm gonna write down inscribed angles of circle intersected the same arc, or congruent arcs, then the angles are congruent. Okay, so what that means is, okay, so let's take a look at each question individually, and let me see what you guys observe and see it. Question I says, name two inscribed angles. So let me see. I'm gonna using colors. You know, I love using colors. So inscribed angle is STV. That is one inscribed angle. So I'm gonna write it down. Angle STV. I always have to write it down. Vertex at the middle of the three letters. And let's find another one. I'm gonna using pink. SUNV. That is another inscribed angles. SUV. Okay, now do you see both inscribed angles capture? I'm sure it has the same and common intercepted arc. I'm sure you guys see it. The intercepted arc is SV. Both inscribed angles has the same intercepted arc, SV. And then what would you say about those two inscribed angles? They are congruent. Okay, since these two inscribed are congruent, we can find the x value. So let's set up the equations, and I'm gonna just shorten down as TNU. So I know these two inscribed angles are equal to each other. Then I can plug in the expressions. So angle T says 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 is equal to, angle U is 2x plus 15. And we can solve these equations. So step out of steps, you can do either way, many directions to get x value. I always subtract smaller x from greater x. So that's 1x minus 5 and 15. How do I cancel out minus 5? Add 5 on both sides. So x is equal to 20. Okay, it's easy. Now I'm gonna just looking at the diagram. It says find the measure of angle T. Well, the expression angle T is 3x minus 5. We got x value, which is 20. So we're gonna plug it in to x. 3 times 20 minus 5. That's a 60 minus 5. So degree is 55 degrees on inscribed angle. Okay, so this is 55 degrees. Remember, I'm still going to apply the front page about the intercepted arc and inscribed angle. Since we need to find the intercepted arc, are you going to divide it by 2 or multiply by 2? It must be times 2. Sine of 55 times 2, that's 110. So intercepted arc is 110. Well, once we got an intercepted arc is 110, the inscribed angle is 55 as well. We already know they are equal to each other. So once we got a 55, angle U must be 55 as well. Question? No question, right? Okay, so we're gonna go back to our practice. Remember, we just completed A through F, and I'm gonna flip over. I know we're gonna do it in a minute. I'm gonna flip over, and we're looking at the question 4 and 5. So we're gonna complete it question 4 and 5 for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna pause, and you're gonna complete it 4 and 5 for 20 minutes.